All right, today we're going to be talking about limit screw adjustments. Limit screws limit the amount that the chain travels on the extremes, either out on the outside or on the inside. And it prevents your chain from causing damage to the frame or, more catastrophically, to the spokes and the wheels. Let's say you're riding along and you're shifting the gear and you're in your lowest gear and you inadvertently overshift. You can see how the chain is jumping into that gap between the spokes and that last cog. Now, if it wasn't for the spoke protector, you would damage, if not destroy, some of these spokes. And that would lead to having to have the wheel replaced. So this spoke protector is very important. But we still need to fix this, right? How do we get this to prevent the chain from jumping into that gap? We adjust the limit screws. So what I like to do is I'll shift it into this lowest gear and just make sure it's in the correct gear, and then I'll turn around. Using my eye, you can align this last pulley with this cog that it's directly under. And as I screw, I'm going to over screw it just to show you that it's moving. And in this case, when I'm adjusting the low limit or L limit, you'll see the derailleur shifting out towards the outside of the frame. Okay, so I'm just going to screw it in, and you should see it moving out. And you know you've done too much, you've over adjusted it if you can't get into that low gear. So that's what I'm gonna demonstrate for you guys today. I think I overdid it. So now when I shift, I'm trying to get into that last gear and I can't do it. See that? So that's when I know I've overdone it. So I'm just gonna take this guy, back it out a little bit. Almost there. And we're just gonna back it out a little bit more. Almost. You can see it wants to get into that right gear. And now we've got it. And that's basically it.